Welcome to The Explainer. Let's uncover how to turn Canva into a massive revenue engine without big startup cash.
You might be wondering, can a free, beginner-friendly design tool actually replace a full-time income? Let's find out.
Creator Sandra D hit the nail on the head. You create digital assets once, then sell them forever.
Strategy 1 is digital products. It's the ultimate passive income dream, designing and selling your own customized files.
Take social media templates, ebooks, printables, or course slides. Honestly, if you can imagine it, you can monetize it.
Get this, Sandra literally sold a simple live workshop slide deck for $97. That's pure profit.
Upload those files to Etsy or Payhip, and buyers get them instantly. Boom, zero friction, hands-off income.
Your secret weapon here? Turbocharge your workflow using AI text and commercial license graphics from places like Creative Fabrica.
Strategy 2 is print on demand. Perfect if you want to sell physical goods without dealing with a messy inventory.
Just export a transparent design, hook up with Printify, apply it to a product, and they automate the shipping.
But hey, keep it simple. Start by testing just one hyper-specific niche, like cute coffee mugs for moms.
Strategy 3, design services. If you need immediate cash flow right now, offer one-on-one custom design work.
Here's the thing. Business owners just don't have time to DIY. That makes fast, reliable designers incredibly valuable. And the rates are totally real. Thumbnails can fetch $50, while full brand kits easily command $500+.
Find these eager clients in virtual assistant Facebook groups, on Upwork, or through targeted Instagram referrals.
Your ultimate advantage? You never start from scratch. Customizing Canva's built-in templates lets you work so much faster.
So the tools are free and the templates are ready to go. What's stopping you from launching today?